Hi, researchers. The last time we met, we were comparing and contrasting the different animals and the subtopics that we were learning about. And today, what I want to teach you is that when you're thinking about the similarities and differences with your topics, one thing that we can do is we can ask questions, and that can lead us to some new thinking, and we can develop theories. One question that we typically ask is that question, why? And it leads us into trying to answer those questions. So I'm thinking that, or maybe it's that. So let's take a look at what this looks like. Last time we met, we thought about some different notes that we were taking about the similarities and differences. And I'm thinking about this big green one right here. Frogs and penguins are different because penguins can live in super cold places, but frogs can't. And I've taken a look at that note. Will you for a second think to yourself, what questions does this make you have? Maybe it's that, or I'm wondering if, or I'm wondering, why can't frogs live in cold places? You see how we're asking questions? Maybe you had some of your own questions too that you were wondering. Or maybe I could also ask, what other animals can't live in cold places? So readers, you see how I was thinking about what we know about the similarities and differences, and I started to ask myself some questions. And that can lead me to maybe try to answer some of those questions. So why can't frogs live in cold places? Are you kind of wondering that? And if I was really going to push myself, I could try to answer that, and I might not know the answer for sure, but could it be that frogs are cold-blooded and this could relate to that? Or maybe it could be that their bodies would get too cold in places like Antarctica. What do you think? So researchers, let's take a look at this process to see what we did. So in order to grow some of our big ideas in this comparative study when we're thinking about two different animals, the first thing that we did is we thought about a subtopic across different animals. In this cases, where frogs and penguins lived. We thought about those similarities between them, and then we started to ask this big question, why? Are they the same? What explains this? We asked some questions, and at the end, we started to think about some possible answers. So researchers, as you go to work today, you'll want to be thinking about what you were thinking about in your notes with the similarities and differences. That could lead you to some questions that you might be asking, and perhaps that question is why? And then you might try to answer some of those questions in your writing about reading. Happy researching!